Alright, it is 6 a.m. It is foggy as all get out this morning, which means fishing should be good. We have the kayak loaded atop the car, strapped down nice and tight. But we are going to Three Sister Springs today, and we're going to be there from sunrise to sunset. I'm excited. Here I am driving through traffic on the way to my eventual launch point, Hunter Springs on the Crystal River. This is my first official YouTube fishing channel video. My channel here will show my journey on learning how to fish, how to film, how to be safe while kayaking, and how to make kayak modifications. I've only been fishing and kayaking for about 2 years now. Most of my experience has been in the freshwater lakes near Springfield, Missouri, where I lived until recently moving to Florida. I hope you'll all learn with me as I explore new places, meet new people, and see amazing things. Now let's start fishing. Okay, we are finally here. This is Hunter Springs. It is crystal clear water. Clear. Good flow to it. Yeah! There's one! Holy cow! Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, it's a big one! Oh yeah, fish on! Woo!
Oh, this is a bruiser. Oh, oh man, it's a big one. Woo! Oh yeah, he is. Woo! Oh, it's a good snook. Yes! Yes! Woo! My very first ever snook. Come on, get you to the boat. Do you have teeth? I don't think you do. Oh, stay on the hook. Stay on the hook. Woo! I was just about to go buy shrimp. Oh no, I'm not eating them. Woo-hoo-hoo! Snook! Yeah! Oh. There's a good 24-inch snook. All right, you want to go back? All right, we got a fish on. Let's see what it is. Oh. Oh, is that another snook? Oh. Whatever it is, it doesn't want to come up. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, I switched to shrimp and instantly get another big hookup. Whatever this thing is, it's not coming up easy. Oh, oh, big catfish. Oh. Oh. Big ugly catfish. All right. Come on, you quit that. You quit it. All right, that one's gone. All right, we got something big on. Oh, oh. Man, this sucker pulls. What you got? What you got? Oh, where you at? You already all the way over here? Holy cow, what are you? Oh man, it's moving fast. Oh, it's big. It's big. Ah, another catfish. There's a fish on. Shrimp works. What is this? Feels like another catfish. Pulling down real hard. Oh, man, they're not a trophy fish, but catfish give you a fight. Oh. another cat. Well, let's get you off the boat. Man, they fight so good. All right, you give up. Give up. Game's over. Game's over. Oh, you just had to go and swallow it, didn't you? Don't even have my pliers, do I? Well, you get to keep that one. Oh, I got something on. I think it's a baby tarpon. Oh, whatever it is. It's jumping. It's jumping good. I think it's a baby tarpon. Oh, oh my gosh. It's a baby tarpon. Or a snook, I can't tell. It's a little guy, but it's a tarpon. It's a tarpon. Oh, oh. Whoo. What is it? Is that a tarpon? Look at that thing. Man. Off you go. Is that a mullet? There's no way that's a mullet. I don't know. It was fun though. It jumped a lot. Oh, I got something. I got something. I got something. Maybe another catfish. Oh, I got something. I got something. Maybe another catfish. Oh no, yep, another catfish. Well, there's 2 more shrimp gone. Fun day on the water. Oh, I got another one. Probably catfish. Oh, he's off. Oh, he's off. Oh, missed a hookup. Probably was a catfish. Not too disappointed. So when I use these shrimp, they fall apart really easily. So I make sure to get them once through the main body and then once again through the tail. Kind of like that, so there's a little bump at the bottom. And that keeps them double hooked because they fall off the hook real easy. They are sugar for fish and they dissolve like it too. Fish on? Nope, missed him. Excuse the poor camera angle right now. And I don't think it's a catfish. Ah! Oh, dang it, it is. But it's a really big catfish. It's normal sized catfish. I tried. The GoPro is on the charger right now, so I can't really do too much underwater. That's catfish. Fun. Oh, holy cow. What is it? Another catfish. All right. I think I caught another catfish. Man, they're everywhere out here. Woo! Oh, and off the hook. Oh, I hope I got that on slow-mo. Oh, look at this. Man. Are you recording? Another catfish, everybody. Yep. Shrimp are good fish if you want to spend your whole day fighting something. Mostly catfish, though. Hook's not even big enough for your mouth. Whatever this thing is, it is massive. It pulls like a beast anyway. Oh, don't be another catfish. Don't be another catfish. Oh! By far the hardest pull today. Don't be another catfish. Oh! 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 What do you got? Huh? What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm holding on with 2 hands here. If it is a catfish. It's a bruiser. Yeah, it's a catfish. Oh, or a nurse shark. Oh, yeah, it's a catfish. It's a big one though. Woo! Woo! It wants to fight. Holy cow. Hey, man, these things aren't pretty, but they fight hard. Give you a chance to breathe. Come on. Looks like a good hook set. Right in the corner of the mouth. All right. Whoa, man, you're big. Oh, probably a 10-pound catfish. GoPro, start recording. Oh, that's strong. That doesn't feel like a cat. Oh, it might be a cat. Oh, might be another cat. I don't know, it's swimming pretty fast for a cat. Are you recording? Yes. Come on, let's end this video without a catfish in it. Can't do that, can I? Can't just catch something besides a stinking catfish. Good long day of fishing. I thought it wasn't gonna turn out. First half of the day was really slow. Now I know the best thing to do is to use live lures, live bait. Sun is setting here in beautiful Florida. Man, I had a great day. Saw some cool old boats. Just what I needed. Caught me my first ever snook, and it was a 24-incher. Now I'm proud of that. This is a pretty good first fish. Well, it looks like they're having a movie in the park night. Well, that's pretty cool. Hope that doesn't affect traffic of me getting out of here. It's pretty cool. Only in Florida could you have a Christmas video party on the beach in the middle of December.